Hi there! Want the steps for turning off compatibility view updates in Internet Explorer 9 on your Windows Vista based PC? Well, I'm here to help you do just that. At iYogi, our motto is to help you and your technology to get along with each other. With the help of the compatibility view, the websites designed for older browsers look better when viewed in Internet Explorer. Also, if you want, you can turn off the compatibility view updates at any time. So, here's how you can turn off the compatibility view updates in Internet Explorer 9 on your computer. Follow me. Open Internet Explorer, click Tools on the menu bar and then click Compatibility View Settings. Clear the checkbox for Include Updated Websites list for Microsoft and then click Close. So, you see, with the help of the steps shown in this video, you can easily turn off the compatibility view updates in Internet Explorer 9 on your Windows Vista based PC. Don't you just love technology? At iYogi, we're on standby to help you get more out of your PC, along with its related software and programs. If you have questions on antivirus, security, protection, or on how to work your other devices with your PC, such as syncing your printer, MP3 player, camera, or router, etc., just give us a call. We'd be delighted to help. Go ahead, have fun with your PC. Good karma.